I'm here again with you, and today I'm gonna be gaming. Yeah, yo, yes sir. So welcome back to another gaming video. So yeah, in today's video I am gonna be playing this game. It's like a cooking game. It's very difficult. Like sometimes it could be difficult. How do you explain? Oh my god. Sometimes it could be difficult. Sometimes it couldn't. Like I'm in like which level? I don't know, but this is I have to.
Stop it, you won't stop it, 'cause you like it when I fight it. So controlling, push and pulling, I can't pause this interaction. I know I pretend it's
That was so close with me losing. Like, you don't understand. You guys, this game is so hard. Go and download it. I think it will be fun. If you want to play with me, I'm going to show you how to play.
Example, my name, cats, and then search. And then you find girls, like if you wanna be friends with them, you know the vibe. So yeah. So guys, just comment down below what's your name so I can play with you and I can be your friend. So yeah. I think this is me right here. No, this is not me. Cause I'm like more darker skin on my character right here. Okay. I'm doing wrong when my baby smiles at me. Let's see, help. Let's see, boy, let's see. Okay.
Another cake coming. Yes, sir. Okay. One cake is done. Add the other one. Okay. My shop is busy today. Very busy. Okay, here you go. Another one. These. And then add one. Okay, Karen. There's a lot of Karens here, by the way. Okay, Karen. Okay. Hashtag Karen. Okay, you're right here. Okay. I'm gonna get the lady mad at me. Okay. Oh, one cake in the oven. Another cake in the oven. Okay, you asked for that. Okay, let's do a coffee. Comment down below what's your name in this game so I can be your friend. Right here, I just need to go here, and then you need to go here. Type my name, which is Cat. And then I'll follow you back right. And I'm gonna show you how I look like. I'm gonna show you my character right now. My character is this character. As you can see, she has brown skin and like a hat. A lot of people are gonna be looking just like it, but guys, trust me, it just pick this. Try your hardest, okay? And comment down below what's your name so I can follow you. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video.